Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dissect and analyze the latest gadgets to help you make informed decisions.
Today, we've got our hands on the highly anticipated Motorola Edge 40 Pro. Let's dive right in.
The Motorola Edge 40 Pro is here, boasting a myriad of features packed into its sleek design. But does it live up to the hype?
Let's find out.
First impressions matter, and the Edge 40 Pro doesn't disappoint in the design department. With its curved glass front and back panels, this phone exudes luxury.
The aluminum frame adds durability, while Corning's Gorilla Glass Victus ensures protection against scratches and drops.
Moving on to the display, the Edge 40 Pro sports a large 6.7-inch OLED screen. While it may not boast the highest resolution compared to some competitors, it still offers vibrant colors and excellent contrast.
Plus, with a peak brightness of 1300 nits, outdoor visibility is not an issue. Now, let's talk cameras.
The Edge 40 Pro features a versatile camera array, including a 50MP standard view camera, a 12MP 2x telephoto, and a 50MP ultra-wide.
While the image processing may not be on par with the best in the market, you can still capture stunning photos in most situations. Under the hood, the Edge 40 Pro packs a punch with its Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset.
Whether you're gaming or multitasking, this phone delivers smooth performance. However, thermal throttling may occur under extreme stress, but it's well managed compared to other devices.
On the software front, the Edge 40 Pro runs on Android 13 with Motorola's signature interface.
While it may not offer groundbreaking features, it provides a clean and intuitive user experience. Battery life is solid, thanks to the 4600 mAh battery, although it may not be the best in its class. However, what sets the Edge 40 Pro apart is its blazing fast 125W charging, allowing you to go from zero to a full charge in just 20 minutes. In conclusion, the Motorola Edge 40 Pro may not revolutionize the smartphone industry, but it's a solid all-rounder that ticks many boxes.
With its powerful performance, versatile camera system, and ultra-fast charging, it's definitely worth considering, especially if you can snag a deal. That's all for today's review of the Motorola Edge 40 Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets.
Until next time, stay curious and informed.